that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Give you that black card. No limit. Just know when you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. This is Tasha with Candy Nails by Nicole, and today I am unboxing all of my not polished items that I got. I literally just wanted to start over because I was using iGel and I just came to the realization it is not for me. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I did actually get a couple of Valentino popular acrylics, and so I'm gonna start off with those first. But majority of this unboxing is not polished, so yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch. Tell me what you think, which one is your favorite color. But so far I got the perfect nude on my hands right now, but that Bad and Bougie is really cute. I can see myself probably getting some more of those. Really only thing I have to say about Valentino is it kind of dry or kind of set kind of fast. So I guess it's more so for advanced nail techs, but I mean I can get used to it. Like, I just have to move a little faster, but I still like them though. And not polished, y'all know not polished is not polished. It, you know, gives you time to set, and it's buttery, period. So yeah, this one right here, y'all, they getting wasted. It's kind of like a gray color, and I forgot, you know, usually when I be doing shopping, I be getting doubles on accident. So you're probably gonna see getting wasted twice somewhere else in this video, like in another box. Like, I guess I wanted gray real bad. But yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all just see what I got, and then after this video I'm going to be posting me swatching them so you can actually see the colors and just see what they look like. But yeah, I probably won't be getting that many more acrylics because after this haul, y'all, like, I literally ran out. Like, I did the most. Like, I don't know, I said I wanted to start over, but I should have been taking my time. But you know, when it comes to nail stuff, I just be like, forget it, I'm gonna get it out the way. And especially if you got Afterpay, like y'all, I'm a vet with Afterpay, do you hear me? Like, they give me so much credit and my silly self be using it. But anywho, like I said, y'all, tell me what y'all think of the colors that I got, or just let me know what colors you recommend from not polished. I actually been thinking about, you know, getting more nudes, and you know, and then doing like gel polish on the top, because I mean, I feel like that's easier if you're trying to do a feel. Is to just use nude and then polish on top. It's easier to just file the coat off and then, you know, put the nude back on there. So also, yeah, let me know what gel polishes y'all be using, because I'm not sure and I don't want to do the most like I did with this acrylic. I don't want to do the most. So let me know some good polishes, like a good white where you don't have to, you know, put 2 coats on. I mean, just good gel polishes, period. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all finish watching the rest of the stuff that I got. And honestly, y'all, this not even all of it. When I do my swatches on the next video, you'll see majority of the colors, and I realized then I forgot to swatch at least 3. So but anyway, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. And if you are still here, don't forget to hit that like button, you know, and make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and turn on the notification bells just so you notify every time your girl posts a video. So yeah, so just stay tuned until the next episode. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for spending some time with me today. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby.